my name is Vanna.C. Now I'm going to show you my storybook. I am the owner of this book, that means I'm also the author. The name of this book is Lucy and Her Plant. This is my storybook. Now let's introduce the characters. This is Lucy, mother, garden. Let's start my story. Hello everybody, my name is Vanna. Today I want to tell you my story. I have one thing to tell you, that this story I created by myself.
You mean you create your own story?
Yes.
You write the storybook?
Yes.
You are the author?
Yes.
Okay.
So
good.
the title is Lucy and Her Plants. And the author is Vanna.C. So this is Lucy and the garden and sun. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lucy. One day, Lucy went to her garden. She saw her plants were growing well. The next day, she went to her garden again. She saw her plant was sick. Then she told her mother. Her mother told her that plants need 5 things to survive. They are
Water, light, air, soil, and space. This one, Lucy.
Okay. After listening to her mother, she started to water the plants and took good care of the plant. The plants were growing healthily once again. Lucy was very happy as she could live in city in nature.